Welcome. This video was created to explain the course registration process at Parkway North High School for the 2021-2022 school year. The following timeline will be followed for the course registration process. On February 1st, the Infinite Campus portal opens for the current 8th grade students. On February 2nd, the Infinite Campus portal opens for the current 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students. On February 5th, the Infinite Campus portal closes. During February and March, counselors will review course requests and will conference with students and families to provide information about schedule concerns as needed. Before we begin talking about how you register for your courses on Infinite Campus, here is some information and links you will need. The Infinite Campus website. Current 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students will need to view their transcripts. This can be found on Infinite Campus under Reports. Talk with your parents to see if they chose for you to attend in person at North High or virtually through Virtual Campus. Depending on their choice, you will need to access the correct online curriculum guide. All students need to complete a 4-year plan worksheet. Prior to selecting courses, all students need to complete a registration worksheet. Also, prior to selecting courses, students should review the graduation requirements and credit wheel. To graduate, you must earn 24 credits. Students must earn credits in communication arts, math, science, social studies, practical arts, and fine arts, as well as health, physical education, and personal finance. The chart is an easy way to keep track of your credits to make sure that you take everything you need for graduation. The 4-year plan is located on Parkway North's website under the Additional Information section. This can help you decide which courses to take in order to best prepare for your future. We are required to keep a copy of the 4-year plan in the guidance office, and your counselor will work with you to get this completed. This handout contains information about Missouri's A+ program. North High students who meet A+ eligibility requirements can attend a Missouri Public Community College or vocational or technical school tuition-free. Many other colleges and universities also offer money to A+ students. This is a great opportunity. If you would like additional information about the A+ program, please visit the North High website. If you plan on being an athlete in college, you must register with the NCAA or NAIA. Rules can and do change each year, so it's important to check for the latest guidelines online. Summer school registration begins on March 1st. Registration is first come, first serve, and many classes fill quickly. Your counselor can offer summer school course suggestions. Summer school dates for this summer are June 14th through July 16th. There are several things to consider when you're selecting your courses. Check to see that you've met the prerequisites for the course. An example, you must pass Drawing 1 before you can take Drawing 2. Balance. Discuss with your parents the rigor of your course load and the sports and activities you plan to be involved in next year. Finding a healthy balance will help you avoid stress and allow you to have a successful year. Personal needs and career interests. You want to align courses you take now with your future goals. This will allow you to meet all the prerequisites for the classes you aim to take in the future. Core classes. Your teachers have made recommendations for you based on your current skill and grades. Know that it is difficult and sometimes impossible to change courses once they've been selected. Course offerings and staffing are based on students' course requests. Now that we've reviewed the important information and links that will help you determine which courses you would like, let's look at the steps to registering for courses. Ask your parents and teachers about course selections and talk about your personal plan of study. Then read about the courses on the online curriculum guide. Complete your grade level worksheet. Be sure to include the recommended courses that you should have received in an email on January 29th. Then watch the How to Register video, which is on slide 13. Finally, you will request your courses through the Infinite Campus portal. To access the portal login screen, go to the link that's on this slide. Enter your portal username and password. Click the Login button. This will bring the user to the main portal page. Click the three little lines in the top left corner. Then click More. Then click Course Registration. This video explains how to request your courses in Infinite Campus. Please review the video to ensure that you correctly request your courses. A copy of this video is also on the Parkway North website. To register, use the email from Parkway to see your recommended courses. Put those courses into your request. Make sure to include both semesters of a year-long course. In total, you must have 7 classes for the first semester, 7 classes for the second semester, and at least 4 alternates. When you are ready to request your courses, click the Add Course button. A list of courses available will display. Enter the course number or course name. Add the course by clicking Add Request, or click Add Alternate if you prefer the class to be one of your alternate classes. Every student needs at least 4 alternate classes. If you do not list 4 alternate classes, courses may be picked for you. In summary, you have until February 5th to enter your course request into your Infinite Campus. Do not wait until February 5th to enter your course request. The portal opens for current 8th grade students on February 1st and for current 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students on February 2nd. Counselors will then review course requests and will conference with students and families to provide information about schedule concerns as needed. Again, here are the steps for registering for your classes. If you follow these steps, you will successfully complete the registration process. Thank you for reviewing this video, and remember, it's a great day to be a Viking.